Hi everybody, this is Justina with JustynaTHandMade. Today I have a short video for you showing you my new fabric designs that are now available on Spoonflower. This is more of the fall line. As you can see, this is a Halloween theme. We have some Halloween, Thanksgiving, a little Christmas, and a little surprise on the end. So first, this is the first Halloween fabric. This one features a little ghost that the spider is handling the candy to. All these cuts are fat quarters, so this is 18 by 21 inches, so you can see the scale. This is a dark teal background with a little cute ghost that is being handled the candy by a spider. Then we have our second Halloween fabric. This one features some flowers and little branches and leaves, but in between you can see some little ghost with a cute little orange bow and a spider. So this fabric is on the dark brown background. It has nice botanics design, but it also has those little Halloween motif included in it. The third fabric, it's a Thanksgiving themed fabric. So this one features our favorite Thanksgiving things. So you have mushroom, corn, apple, pumpkin, berry branch, some leaves, acorns, pumpkin pie. So all those cute motifs are featured on a light brown, kind of a latte color background. And this fabric is also available on the dark background. So if you would prefer this print on a dark background, you can just grab that version from Spoonflower. The next one, it's more of a Christmas theme fabric. This is a cute little gnome on the dark blue background. So you have this little gnome that it's tangled into the lights, and the background features snowflakes. I thought that this drawing was really cute, so I decided to turn this little piece of art into a fabric as well. I hope you're gonna like that one too. And on the end, you are probably familiar with that print. This is a scaled down version of the print that I released last time. So here I just want to show you and let you compare the sizes. So this one is the original size, which is pretty large, so you can really see the drawing. And this one, it's a scaled down version, so you have more of the motif on a smaller piece of fabric. And this one features the little ghost being frightened by the pumpkin with the little orange ball as well. So those are the last two from the fall collection. Also, I wanted to order myself some cute Piggy fabric. This is something I drawn myself as well, so I created this cute little nursery fabric. As you can see, it's unisex, so it's suitable for boys and girls, or just somebody that's really enjoy little pink piggies like I do. And this one is also available on Spoonflower right now. So this one, you can see the scale better here. The ghost fabric in the smaller scale, the ghost and pumpkin fabric in the large scale, And those fabrics are described on Spoonflowers, so just look at the name. One is named large and one is named small, so just make sure you are paying attention if you want to get one of these. Here are my Christmas gnomes, our Thanksgiving feast, and our Halloween florals with ghost and spider, and our cute ghost and spider sharing a candy. I hope you like those designs and that you're gonna find something you like. If you do, follow the link in the description of this video to my Spoonflower shop, and you can view all the fabrics that are currently available on my profile that I designed. Till the next time.